Hi guys, it is HardReset.Info channel, and today I will show you what do when your Google Play Store stuck on padding on your VIVO Y19. To fix this problem, in the first step we must go back to the main menu of our smartphone, where we navigate to the settings. And settings, we go down to system management. Now we choose date and time, and there we must turn on first option of auto date and time, and after that we can go back to the Google Play Store and try install something, and now it is working. That's all. Thanks for watching. Bye.